How to create Telegram account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to create Telegram account. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Play Store or your App Store, and after that on the search bar just simply search for Telegram. And after that just simply install the application in your device, and once you have installed the application just simply click on open and open the app in your mobile device. And after that you will be able to see the option called start messaging, and after that it will ask you to create your account if you don't have an account already on Telegram. So after that just simply select your country from which you are creating the account. So I'm going to select my country right now, and after that just simply enter your mobile number, and as you can see that your account has been created successfully. And after that you can go ahead and join different communities, groups and people that you would want to talk to on your Telegram account. And yeah, that's how simple it is to create your Telegram account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.